The Samsung DG96-00110E Convection Fan Motor Assembly is a genuine OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part designed and engineered to exact specifications. Replacement Samsung range, stove, oven convection fan motor assembly spins the fan blade to circulate hot air through the oven for even heating. Samsung DG96-00110E Range, stove, oven convection fan motor assembly is a 35W elecric motor that is also called the Convention Motor Assembly. High-quality Samsung OEM DG96-00110E Range, stove, oven convection fan motor assembly is manufactured with premium materials for durability and exact fit. Be sure to follow instructions in owner's manual when installing this part. Repair your appliance with confidence when you choose genuine Samsung factory parts accessories. Top reviews from the United States. Simple fix. The lower fan on my Samsung stove started to whine and complain when working. I have teenagers that do the same when asked to work. I was afraid that it would be very involved, but after watching a video or two I decided I could manage it on my own. Then I went to install the fan. I was able to do it in about 15 minutes. It was so simple I could have had my teenager do it, if I wanted to hear more whining and complaining. It took me just as long to clean up the collection of things that end up under a stove over time. The part fit perfect, works fine and saved me who knows how much from a technician service call.